Hello po, ako po si Danica Santos and this is my video presentation about the macro etching in the bullet trajectory. So first is the objectives. So the objective is to explain the macro etching and then discuss the bullet trajectory. So next is macro etching and how the serial number are placed. Okay. So first, ano ba yung macro etching? So macro etching, it is a procedure of revealing the large-scale structure of a metal. So halimbawa, itong si forensic scientist is nag-conduct siya ng isang physical and chemical analysis, physical and chemical techniques to show, to para makita nila yung mga tampered. So halimbawa, yung nakaw na gun. So yung magnanakaw is ang ginawa niya is tinampered niya yung serial number. So ang procedure naman na to is para makita nila or yung original na serial number. So next is how serial number are placed. So nakita niyo naman dyan sa features. So may mga procedure yan. But first is gumagamit siya ng mga metal stamps. So, andyan yung mga numbers, letters na kailangan sa isang serial number. So, the next one is ini-stamp nila yan. So, ano ba yung kahalagahan niyan? So, ang kahalagahan niyan is inilalagay yan sa mga personal things or sa mga structures. So, may mga serial numbers nag-indicate yan sa isang tao, which is the owner. So, para ma-prevent din yung mga pagnanakaw at ibang crime. And then the next one is the process of tampering and restoring the serial number. So first is to polish the surface or yung metal surface. So ano ba yung kailangan dyan? Usually gumagamit ng sandpaper, ng mga buffing tools para mas mapanipis o mas lumitaw yung number or yung serial number sa isang metal specimen. And then the next one is adding the solution. So first is naglalagay sila na palibot sa isang metal structure kung saan yun yung nag-hold ng chemical combination. Chemical solution na ilalagay mo doon. So the chemical solutions are the combination of the copper chloride, hydrochloric acid, and the water. So inilalagay nila yan 5 or more times para mas lumitaw, ma-visualize yung original serial number na natampered sa isang metal specimen. And then the last one is the performing to recover the serial number and then the document na nila yun. And then the next one is the basic ballistic and introduce the bullets by its parts, entry, and the exit point. So, bago tayo mag-move on, kailangan i-distinguish muna natin ano ba yung bullet. So, a bullet, it is the elongated metal which is fired by a gun. So, mostly, tinatawag siya bilang ammunition. So, dito naman is, i-identify naman natin yung characteristic ng internal ballistic, external ballistic, at terminal ballistic. So, first, the internal ballistic. So, internal ballistic is what happened inside the gun, and then the external ballistic is what happened to the bullet once it was fired by a gun, and the next one is the terminal ballistic, which is what happened to the object that strike a bullet. What happened to the target. And then the next one is identify naman natin yung entry point to the exit point. So when we say the entry point, makikita natin dyan yung unang picture sa baba. May mga tinuturo dyan na mga maliliit na holes. So that is the entry point. So paano ba natin ma-identify kung entry point ba ito? So inside that hole, may makikita tayong black which is known as the tattooing. So yan ay nililive yan. Galing yan sa isang bullet na tumarget dyan sa isang board na yan. And that is also called as a bullet wipe. And then the next one is the exit point. So, madaling ma-distinguish yung exit point kasi compared to the entry point is sabog-sabog na ito. So, makikita naman na natin yung distraction dahil sa tama ng baril. So, kailangan natin itong mapag-aralan before we proceed to the next topic. So, the next one is determining the bullet trajectory and the origin of the bullet. So ano ba yung bullet trajectory? Bullet trajectory is the identifying where the bullet came from. So dito naman is nagpapakita siya ng steps kung paano matukoy yung isang bullet trajectory. So first step is to calculate the vertical angle using the trajectory rod. So the trajectory rod is the white na para siyang straw na pinapasok siya sa holes. And then the next one is inclinometer. Ito naman is to help to measure the angle. So yan yung next feature. And then the next one naman is to calculate the azimuth angle using a protractor. So protractor is used to identify whether to the left to the right and to the right to the left and place to the zero point of the line angle. So the next one naman is to determine the angle using the plumb bob. And ang plumb bob naman natin is ito yung parang may cone siya and then may tali, and then using that itatapat mo siya sa protractor, and then sa procedure na yon ma-identify mo yung angle. And then the next one naman is nag-attach sila ng laser sa rod. So that laser naman, yan yung mag-identify nung measurement, nung trajectory ng isang bullet. So once it attached na, i-close nila yung light, and then mag-spray sila doon sa line up ng laser, and then while that ginagawa is meron nang naka-record na picture so that makakapture nila yung line na lumalabas. So mas mabivisualize nila, and that procedure is ma-identify nila where the bullet came from. At yun yan. And doon lang mag-end yung discussion ko. Thank you po.